Question 11, paper 2 on 2017 Edexcel. So question 11 actually gives us this pie chart, which says the diagrams are accurately drawn. This pie chart, and the actual question itself is the ratio of the number of people living in Adley to the number of people living in Bridford is given by the ratio of the areas of the pie chart. So we know that's where we've got to start off, areas of the pie charts. What proportion of the total number of people living in the two towns live in Adley and are aged 0 to 19? Okay, so we're going to start by areas of the pie charts. So it said they're accurately drawn. So my radius is 3.5. So no, my radius is 3.5, and my radius down here is 2.5. So what I'm going to do is on my answer space, I'm going to work out area for Adley. So pi times radius squared. So pi times our radius for Adley is 3.5. So when you actually do this on the proper paper, it's enlarged, but the class I'm doing this for, obviously you've got a paper that's half the size. That doesn't mean the radius is double on a bigger paper. I think it's 5 on the actual original paper. So 3.5 squared is 12.25 pi. Area for Bridford is pi r squared. This time pi is 2.5, as we saw. 2.5 squared is 6.25. Okay, so that is the two areas. Okay, it says what proportion of the total number of people living in these two areas live in Adley. So we know we've got 12.25 pi out of the total number of people. Well, the total number of people is going to be 12.25 add 6.25 pi, so it's 18.5 pi. So that's our proportion. But then it also says and in the question, and are aged 0 to 19. So we're going to put back 0 to 19 on this. So Adley and are aged 0 to 19. Well, 0 to 19, the proportion of the pie chart that it takes up is 70 degrees. Perfect. So you're going to multiply by 70 degrees out of 360 degrees. Okay, my pi's cancel out. You don't lose marks if you don't do that, but it's just to notice. So 12.25 over 18.5 times 70 over 360 equals 0.128753753, and it recurs. Okay, don't be worried if obviously this isn't the answer that you get. It's because the paper, this is half the size, so this is on an A5 version. It says give your answer to 3 significant figures, so our answer is 0.129 for this smaller paper. Okay.